Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Marathon, ticker symbol MARA. Folks, I love the day we had. We came and tested it on key levels and went high of 4.9%, 87 cents from the previous close. And we went higher today. After market, it's close to $19. I'm pumped. I'm excited, folks. But before we talk on the technical side, let's talk about some key things that I wanted to share with you guys. The news that broke out today, where Marathon Digital has a full access control of the two sites, right? The two sites, the mining sites they previously announced in 16 were previously announced in acquisition one of two Bitcoin minings, right? Two of them. Now they have a full access on that, um, and that's a great revenue. Means that's more revenue, folks. More revenue to come, and I'm excited on that. So, a couple of things in the article. I'm not going to read the entire article, but I want to kind of key points. The transition is expected to be completed by April 30th of 2024 in the midpoint of Marathon, where both own and operate of 390 megawatts capacity in Texas and Nebraska. Folks, revenue, revenue, revenue. This kind of news generates a movement on the stock option, especially a positive news. So I'm excited, right? I'm excited because we finally have a full access of the two mining sites of Marathon Digital Company. Another thing I want to quickly share with you guys before we talk on the technical side is why, right? What are we looking at? What's our price tags? I'm sure you guys have your own price target too. I have my own because I've been trading this stock for over 4 years now. And Mr. Lewis, so I'm going to go all the way at the top. So even in the stock has already been doubled in over the past years. The analysis has grown more optimistic over MARA the past month, right? One of the Jaggery, who is a recent buyer, rating stock the price target of $27, which I discussed on my previous video. And I'm excited. Sorry, folks, I can't even speak because hey, it's a breakout, which I mentioned on my previous video, and it came through, and I'm so excited. Right before I talk on this one more article, check this out. Go and look out on my channel. I did mention it. Time to fly, and the next stop was $18 and cents, and we smashed through that. Okay, so $27. Are you looking at it to $27 that to sell it if it comes to that? Do I see it coming in? Absolutely, I can. So Mr. Levy was also optimistic regarding the MR's acquisition of two Bitcoin minings and effectively pushes the operational capacity and offers more control over the power and the cost in the long term. Big time, right? Um, and one more, I'm going to talk to you guys quickly because that's something that you guys should be aware of it, right? Is digital stock more than doubles, right? We're sitting at $18 right now, times two, right? $36. Are you willing to sell at $36? I'm just throwing numbers over there to you guys to see what's going to be your sell price. So put on the comment and smash the like button and put the comment over there more intensely and tell me that what is the price that are you selling it, what price are you willing to sell it. If you don't want to share, I understand, but maybe I can discuss what price I'm looking at it too, not on the video, but also I'm going to talk on the comments though. So going back in this article, MARA stock massively outperformed over the last year of 146% after pulling over 20% for past month, right here. Was the slope right here that we pulled up, and now we're coming back. So I'm going to talk more on the technical side. So clearly, kind of see where we're heading on this direction. The miners have produced up to 3,490 bitcoins, and roughly up to 20% of the previous of 2,936, while the paraselling of 66% in the productions of an operating cost. Great, right? Great, great, great. Remember, the earnings coming up. Earnings coming up. So I'm definitely going to talk about more earnings on my next video when it comes in closer to the month of March. So Be stay tuned on that. So let's dig dive. Let's talk about our favorite stock. I'm sorry, I'm just very pumped up on this stock, how it's reacting and how we were looking at it. So today we opened up 17 actually we opened up at 1776, kind of came all the way. We tested to see my 1730 was my favorite support line. It came back and tested it, even broke through. Look at it, folks. It broke through, acted, came all the way 1714 and acted as a time and time, folks, as a resistance. And we break through on that. We break through throughout the day. You can see my pink line, which is my 200-day moving average, was acting as a support when it came close, when it broke through the 60-day, which is the purple one right here, and kind of acted as support throughout the day. And after hours, we finished at $18.95. I love it. I love it. Let's look at the 1 month. Remember, I was saying that $18.30. Actually, I'm going to go back to 3 months where $18.30 was my key area. But guess what? We are trading above of those two moving average. We are trading above those two moving average. And whenever you have a crossover like this on the 5 day, look at the volume picked up, crossover like this, RSI pointing up, is a uptrend. Granted, we got it because time and time we came to our 60-day, we got rejected quickly. We got rejected quickly, but we never ended the day on top of it. So that was very keen on that. Like we break through, we came back on the next day, but and we never kind of actually holded those moving averages. So today we holded a big time right here, acted as a massive support level. Volume has picked up and RSI has picked up too. Order flow for today, see buyers stepped in. Buyers stepped in. We have a lot of inflow coming in too. So I was very excited to see that. 3 months, let's see folks. So we are 3 months. So when I talked about right my key level sitting right here, $18 and 30 cents, which we break through, and we're sitting right on 3 months, right? We finished on the top, but we didn't got rejected that, right? Kind of created a double bottom at the back, right? Once he created, it is an upside, RSI pointing an upside, everything, but we did got rejected twice when we tested it, and we got rejected. I'm confident we're gonna break through on this. Yes, folks, I am confident Friday, Monday next week, we are breaking through it and going highs of $21.22 and my $22.76. When we break up $21.22, don't worry, folks. I already have. I'm looking at my next support level. Sorry, my resistance level to break. And could we see it all the way to $31? Why not, right? There is a very high potential, but $27 is where the target price is at the moment, but it will shift. And $27 is a massive going to be resistance. If I'm looking at right here on my chart, that is at $27.60 sitting right up here. Why not? Let's go draw it up quickly to see if it's going to reach up to that. And right here, time and time, right? One up here, one right here, right here, right here. So there's about 5 points where about $27. Let me kind of zoom it out so you guys can see it on the video too properly. That I'm just not making up. $27.34 right here. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4, 5, 6, 7 points over here, folks. So this is gonna be my next magic resistance, and I want to change this. No, I'm gonna keep it at red. I want to put it as like a target price because I know that's not my target price where I'm going to be selling my stock. It's going to be higher than that. I can tell you that. I know I said mention, but I'm not going to tell you it's going to be higher than 27 what I'm looking at it. But overall, folks, I'm excited about this stock, how it's going to play out in the Friday and Monday. We If we break on Friday right here, which I'm very confident we will, and we're gonna close over $19, right? That means 21, 22 is coming back in play for next week. Could we see it on Friday? Anything is possible. Do I see it happening? Very unlikely to $21.22. But I don't have a crystal ball. I can predict future, but you never know. Everything's looking great. Everything's looking great. Year to date, quickly, we just look at it our chart where we at on the year to date. Like I kind of said, kind of holding it. Um, and our momentum has changed. See, momentum has changed. It's holding over there, but kind of you can clearly see that our 60-day is sitting right at the money line. Money line is $18.16. So still have that year to date. You can clearly see that the sellers has gone. RSI is kind of cool off. We have a lot of room to left. When you have room like this on year to date, holy, it is looking an uptrend right now. So I'm excited. I'm excited because you can clearly see there's created a bull flag uptrend from here to here, right? And it kind of congested to be a bull flag pattern on the year to date chart. Well, let's see, folks. Did we break out or are we going to stay over here? Make sure, please comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm excited, folks. I'm going to do a recap video on the weekend to see how we did on Friday, what we're looking for Monday, any potential news. Like I said, two sites we got from, for the Bitcoin mining. It's big time and getting full access, and one will be completed by the April. Revenue, which is a big when you are heading into the earnings. So earnings is going to be on fire. It's gonna be on fire, fire, fire. Yes, I like it. I like what I see. Oh, folks, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button so I can continually do the videos on Marathon and any other stock that I do on my portfolio. And if you want to be the part of it, I appreciate if you guys subscribe so that way I can constantly make videos like this and share with you guys. I had a breakout point that I mentioned, and I also mentioned about coming is about to fly, which it did, and I like it so far. So thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate you guys' support, and I hope you guys had a wonderful week and one more day left of trading. Good luck.